So a few weeks ago, like 14 weeks, which is a long time, Brittany and I went out shooting with a few film cameras, the Canon AE1, an EXA, and a Minolta. So the reason this video took so long for me to get out was procrastination fueled by a lack of motivation, because the video really didn't turn out the way I had imagined it would turn out. I had thought we were going to go out, shoot 3 film cameras, get pictures back from each camera, show you the pictures in like a vlog style video, and then that'd be good. So we took the film to CVS to have it printed, scanned, mainly scans, and it took forever to get it back from them. They never actually called. We had to go in and see if it was ready. It was like 2 or 3 weeks later. And then the most important issue that happened in this video is I checked all 3 cameras ahead of time to make sure they had film. And they did. Every camera had film in it. But the only camera that took pictures was the EXA. The Minolta never ended up advancing. The film had been loaded incorrectly. And that was not my fault. I didn't do that. The Canon AE1 requires a battery, which I presumed was for the light meter. But it also allows the film to advance. So I pulled the camera out, tried to advance, nothing. I thought it was like weird or broken. But it was a dead battery. So thanks, Canon. At least you've been consistent with your implementation of the cripple hammer, even back to the AE1. The EXA was the one that actually took pictures, and holy shit, did CVS screw up the scans. So it's really hard to tell how the images would have looked before all the post-processing. I don't know why I didn't think about, but I didn't even ask them if they could do no touch-ups or any editing to it. So they did. And it's terrible. They're low quality, they're low size scans to begin with. If you've ever gotten film developed at CVS, can someone let me know in the comments if you can get it developed without post-processing? Because there was so much contrast, saturation, digital sharpening, like really weird color shifts. It was like some green and then like magenta. Some of them were a lot worse than others. Here's a couple before and afters of what I was able to recover from the photos. They're not by any means great or even good. I mean, I guess it was more a test to see if the cameras worked to begin with. So that's good. On to the video, I guess. 14 weeks late. Let's go.
It's a little bright. This is how I normally carry cameras. Alright.
This is cool on the ground.
It'll make you pressure. I gotta back up a lot.
Is it an eagle?
Sounded like an eagle.
That's what
I don't see one anywhere though.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
Hang on.
This looks kind of good. I'm gonna take a picture here. And then we gotta move on, because you can't only take pictures of the windmills. Okay. What if there, I mean, you know for sure there's film in these, right?
Yeah. Do you want to check?
No, I just... This engine is cool. You're in your natural habitat.
Get another camera out of your bag.
So it's supposed to be how it is.
Yeah, I mean it just turns complete white.
Okay.
And then you... Yeah.
until it opens again.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Until it stops.
Yeah, this is cool.
Sick. It went like really slack.
I think it didn't do any.
I don't think it did any of them.
Right.
That's a bummer. If someone just set the film in here, I'm gonna be super upset. Like if they didn't even pull it across. You know what I mean? Like if they just put it in and closed the door, or like if someone...
You're thinking it wasn't attached?
I'm thinking it wasn't attached right, or someone used all the frames and then just left the film in there. Wound it up and left the film in it. If there isn't film in any of the cameras, that's gonna be like, I'm gonna die.
Obviously there was film in there, but we didn't put them in, so they just didn't put them wrong.
Well, do we even post this video? Because like, I wanted to show these pictures in the video.
Well, yeah, so we have to get developed, and then if
There's like one.
we can say fail, no, we'll have to take them out again. Let's go this way. Oh, that's
that
the
it?
last one.
What's this one? Maybe push that down.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
You just hold this one down though instead of.
It probably
let
ruined
go.
it.
Let go. Yeah, you have to hold down.
Hopefully you can hear it click. Ah!
That one's better.
I'm just gonna keep winding it. Okay, open it. Those are probably all overexposed because it only goes up to, what? 150 of a second. If we had used film with the lower ASA, then it would have maybe been fine.
Oh, well.
Maybe it's still fine.
Well, we didn't buy this film. Just
We-
didn't want to waste it. Well, we kind of know how to use them. Now we can buy film and load it ourselves and know that it's loaded. Plus we got all these other cameras to try out. Give it a little jump, man. You're creepy. You're a big guy. You've been eating well.